Thank you for tuning in this video about Gigantes Island, Philippines. Gigantes Island is part of the Western Visayas region in the Visayas Sea, and it's part of the municipality of Carlos, Iloilo, Philippines, which is in the northern part of Iloilo province on the island of Panay. I brought up the map of the Philippines here, and I'll zoom on in. Here's the island of Panay. Iloilo is down here. And this whole region is Carlos. So as we zoom in, today's trip will be leaving from Bangko Port and hiring a boat to take us over to these various island stops and bringing us back. It's a day trip. I think I have 5 or 6 stops. We stayed over here on this region of beach down at Treasure Cove Beach Cottages right here. This is a very, very quiet, nice beach. These people treated us well. They made contact with us. They took care of all the boat charter, everything. They sent me 3 staff to be our tour guide. They cooked more food than we could eat, all seafood. I can't recommend them enough. So let's go ahead and resume this video. Again, thanks for watching.
We're at the Treasure Cove Beach Cottages and Rentals. It's a kind of a basic setup with a house. I don't know the name of the house, but basically we have some air conditioning in there.
Since I have some photos here in the beginning of the video, I'm just going to break out with a little voiceover. Here we're looking at the actual resort with the front banner and the front office, and some of the workers there that tried each and every day to make our lives better and more convenient by cleaning the facilities and bringing us out our food each and every day. They have a number of canopies so you can get out and underneath these various structures with lights. The beach on the back here has the ability for you to rent these boats, and you can swim back there. It's quite nice and pretty flat and pretty quiet throughout this area. That's just on the beach looking back at the resort, and I'm here with my family. Here's my niece and nephew with their daughter and the place we stayed at there. Here's the tricycle that was provided by the hotel. It's actually a tuk-tuk, and they provided the ride down to Bangko Port. Within the port here, we are getting registered with our boat, paying the environmental fees. This is the waiting area, and the boats are parked out to the right. Over here on the left, we have some of the hotel guides that are helping us. There is Melrose and Roxy. We're just about ready to board the boat, so let's get underway and enjoy some nice background music.